If your closure is always looking bumpy like this, don't worry. I used to struggle with this too. Let me show you how to fix this. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I share simple and affordable hair tutorials you can do at home for adults and kids. Today I'll be showing you how I make my closure flat and how I trim it properly so it looks clean and natural. First thing you want to do is to make sure your closure is properly placed and your parting is clean. Don't rush this stage because if you do, it will not be right and it will look so poppy. So after you've already defined your parting with your take-home, of course, now to make it flat, I'm going in with wax stick and hot comb. You want to press it gently and guide the hair in the direction you want. So you take your hot comb, you press it gently, do not rush. You press it gently and guide the hair in the direction you want, just the way I'm doing it. If you're doing it a side part, you guide the hair towards that direction, but because this is the center part, so you can see how I'm doing it exactly like this. So it's just guide it properly and do not rush the process, and gently press the hair gently. Do not rush this process. So I'm applying elastic on my closure again. I just want it to look more sleekly, so I'm applying the elastic on it, then going again with my hot comb. So you see the way I'm combing it gently, not rushing the process, you understand? So just do it as if you're caring for it. Do not rush the process at all, and don't just do it because you want to do it, but do it because you really want to do it. Am I making sense? What am I even saying? The bottom line is that just take your time, you understand? After which, you see how I'm using the hot comb to press the hair down. So I'm just taking off the excess hair, plucking it off with my finger, to make sure that part looks natural. So that's why I'm just picking it out to make it look natural. So I think it's good. I'm good to go. So now I apply wax stick again, then go in with my hot comb again, because the goal is to make this hair look natural, right? So that's what we are aiming for. So we don't mind spending time, we don't mind doing it all over again. So you can see how it's coming out, it's looking beautiful. So now go in and press it backwards, because that's how I want it to come out. You understand? So now press it gently. Be intentional about it. So now we are through with this side. Now let's go to the other side. So we'll do the same thing with the other side by applying our wax stick on our hair. Then go in with your hot comb. You can see how hot this thing is, but please note that before you start applying using your hot comb on your hair, first thing you need to do is to use your heat protectant. You can see at the beginning of this video I've already made use of my heat protectant, so this is very important, so do not skip that part. So now, in order for the hair to look more natural, so I just had to pat it within, then apply my wax stick to slip it in before I will do the other one. That was what I did for the first one, for the first part. So Now I'm repeating the same process for this other part. So as you can see, you going in gently with my hot comb. You can tell the difference now. Come on. So just take it easy, gently. Press into the direction you want your hair to go. Like I said earlier, if you want it to be center part, if you want it to be C part, any part you want it to be, just apply the same rule. You comb the hair towards that direction that you want it to go. So now this is it. You can see how flat this closure is when you compare it to the first time. You see that there's a big difference in it. So now to finalize everything, you go into butterfly shadow. I love using butterfly shadow because it just makes the process much more professional. So you just apply your butterfly shadow on it, then press it with your hot comb. You can see how I'm pressing it. When you do this, you see wonders. You see how it looks natural and beautiful, and outside that, it makes the styling to last longer. Yes, I love using butterfly shadow for my finishing because it makes my work look more beautiful. So you can see how beautiful this looks. So it's so beautiful. So now to finish up, we have to do the rest from up down with our old comb. So this is it. It's looking more beautiful. So now the next part that we'll go into now is the trimming part. This part is very important. If you leave excess lace, it will look rough on the edges, so it will never look clean. So I'm trimming little by little. Don't cut too much at a time. So just watch me as I trim this lace. So voila, you can see how natural this looks, and this is what gives that clean and natural looks. You can already see the difference from bumpy to flat. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple hair tutorials, and let me know in the comments, have you struggled with bumpy closure before? Take care and I love you.